Have you ever wondered how to achieve that flawless and youthful makeup look that's taking the beauty world by storm? Are you also dreaming to achieve that flawless glowy skin, soft and gradient lips? Well, then you've clicked the right video. Welcome back to our channel, and make sure to subscribe it if you haven't yet. This video will cover step-by-step makeup mistakes to avoid, and the YouTube channels for makeup tutorials. Now, if you're wondering what the flawless makeup look mean, then a flawless makeup look is all about achieving soft, natural, and radiant beauty, but also with a focus on dewy skin, gradient lips, and subtle eye makeup. Now, without wasting time, let's dive in. Makeup steps. Step number 1, skincare preparation. Start with a thorough skincare routine to ensure your skin is well hydrated and prepared for makeup. Cleansing, toning, moisturizing, and applying sunscreen are essential. Step number 2, makeup base. Now that the skin is prepared, it's time for a flawless base. Apply a light, hydrating primer to create a smooth surface and help your makeup last longer. Then, apply a lightweight foundation or cushion that match your skin tone. Blend it well into your neck and hairline for a natural finish. You can use a brush, sponge, or your fingers to blend evenly. Apply concealer to cover blemishes, dark circles, or any imperfections. Blend it gently with a makeup sponge or your fingertip. Step number 3, eyebrows. Use an eyebrow pencil to fill in and shape your eyebrows gently. Step number 4, eye makeup. Go for eyeshadows in shades of pink, brown, beige, or peach. Create a subtle gradient effect with the darkest color on the outer corner of your eyelids. Use eyeliner and consider a black, softer brown or black-brown shade. Curl your lashes and apply mascara, focusing on the outer lashes for an innocent, wide-eyed look. Step number 5, blush and highlighter. Apply a soft peachy or pink blush on the apples of your cheeks, blending it towards your temples. Apply highlighter to the high points of your face, such as your cheekbones, brow bone, and the bridge of your nose to add a subtle glow. Step number 6, lips. Gradient lips are a popular choice. Apply the soft, muted lip color to the center of your lips. Then, use your finger to blend it outwards for that gradient effect. Step number 7, final touches. To finish off, set your makeup with a light, hydrating setting spray. Wear stunning outfits and make hairstyles accordingly to complement your makeup look. Mistakes to avoid. Matching your foundation shade to your skin tone is crucial. Avoid going too light or too dark, as it can create an unnatural contrast with your neck and body. Avoid heavy and bold lipstick application. Instead, use light lipstick shades or opt for a gradient lip using lip tints. YouTube channels. Here are some YouTube channels with different makeup tutorials. They have a lot of different makeup tutorials, but most of them are perfect for everyday makeup. Rosy cheeks, soft eyeshadows, and a hint of lip gloss can enhance your features without being overly bold. The goal is to make it look natural and youthful. And that's it for today. Hope you found this video helpful. Remember, the key to a perfect makeup is to keep it natural, dewy, and fresh to enhance your natural beauty. If you made it till the end, include this emoji in your comment and let us know which topic you'd like to see in the next video.